right, Todd.
Dancing.
We're just like,
It was warmish out overnight, but
Yeah,
it was drizzly and and
the weather
damp
wasn't good.
Yeah.
And it still is warmish in some communities. It's not going to be warmish by the end of the day, though.
Yeah, everything's changing over, right?
Yeah, we're getting colder again. We're getting cold for the weekend. We'll start with a look at the radar. Steady precipitation moving on out of here. The showers have ended. Greater Portland, back through Sebago Lake and beyond. Maybe still a few sprinkles along the mid-coast and Penobscot Bay, but they've all shifted south of Bangor and even Bar Harbor now. Still some light rain down east coastline, maybe some wet flakes mixing in. It is getting colder, especially up north, and I do want to caution everyone that lives in the Central Highlands especially. There was rain last night. It's firmly below freezing now. There's probably going to be some ice out there. Your first step might be a slippery one, so caution there. 34 in Bangor, it's getting close, but it's still above. Above in Waterville, Augusta, it's 40 in Lewiston. Still mildish in Portland, 42, and mid-40s as you head down through York County. The front is just about clearing the coastline. And there is a low forming along it, but all of this and its precipitation will stay in the mid-Atlantic and then south of us. So we're going to be clearing over the next few hours with this high building in. And also building in is an abnormally cold air mass for late March. So we'll see our temperatures really start to slide here. It's probably the warmest part of the day for many of you, unfortunately. Showers tapering off. The clearing will begin very shortly and already has in some communities. It'll be sunny for the middle of the day, but the wind is going to kick up, so we'll have a brisk feel. It'll dry things out nicely, but our temperatures will start sliding through the lower 40s to around 40 and eventually 30s and overnight into the 20s and teens. I do think it'll be clear though this evening with no precipitation at all. So your commute home should be totally smooth to get you to the weekend, but that winter feel will be back for a Friday evening. If you're out on the town, you'll certainly need the winter coat. Look at these temps tomorrow morning when you awaken. 16 in Portland, 14 in our capital, just 12 in Bangor, with single digits across the far north. I mean, that's kind of like February or even late January stuff. Tomorrow during the day with bright sun, it's not going to be that effective, only getting up to about 30, a little less cold on Sunday with some sunshine mixed with clouds, maybe a flurry, but not much going on this weekend. And then early next week, a warm front will be draped right through us, and there'll be a big battle between cold temperatures to our north, warm ones to our south, and we'll probably have some big temperature swings for the first few days of the week. I don't expect much as far as precipitation goes until this guy rides along this front and through Maine with rain or mixed precipitation, and that looks like it'll be Tuesday into Tuesday night. So temps drop this weekend. Tomorrow's a really cold one. They do recover on Monday, and then next week we'll go through some big swings, and there could be like a 30-degree swing in here from roughly 40 to maybe 60 plus if we can get a little sunshine there on Wednesday. Small crafts will go into effect, or they're up now actually for the wind. Seas 2 to 4 feet, and that wind's between 15 and 20 or 25 knots. Clearing this morning, sunshine this afternoon, but temperatures drop 40 to 45 now, and then colder later. 30 tomorrow with a lot of sunshine out there, but really cold for the month of March, especially late March. 40 degrees on Sunday, partly sunny. There could be a few sprinkles or a spotty shower around on Monday. Steadier rain or mixed precipitation on Tuesday. Lingering scattered showers on Wednesday with an opportunity there to get very warm. And then it does chill off again at the end of next week. That storm system for the middle of next week, while it could provide us with mixed precipitation, probably for northern Maine and not southern Maine. But it could be close because there's, as I talked about, that battle with the temperatures. Really anything could give in that scenario. So we'll have to watch it closely.
Love that spring slush.
That's what it is.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it stinks.
Thank you.